Hey everyone, welcome back to Programming Line channel. Today we're breaking down a topic every online seller must understand: margins, COGS, and profit in e-commerce. If you want to build a profitable store, not just make sales, you need to know your numbers. Let's start with COGS, or cost of goods sold. This includes everything you spend to get your product ready to sell: the product itself, shipping to your warehouse, packaging, any taxes or duties if you're importing. For example, if you buy a product for 200 rupees, pay 30 rupees for shipping, and 20 rupees for packaging, your COGS is 250 rupees. Now let's talk about gross profit and gross margin. Gross profit is your selling price minus COGS. Gross margin is that profit as a percentage of your selling price. Let's break it down. If you sell something for 500 rupees and your COGS is 250 rupees, your gross profit is 250 rupees, and your gross margin is 50%. A healthy gross margin for most e-commerce businesses is between 40 and 60%. But gross profit isn't the full picture. You also need to calculate your net profit. That's your real income after subtracting all operating costs, like ads, shipping to customers, website fees, payment gateway charges, staff, and software. Net profit equals gross profit minus operating expenses. This is where many sellers get surprised. High sales don't always mean high profits. So how do you increase your profit margins? Here are some proven tips. Negotiate with your suppliers to get better pricing. Reduce shipping and packaging costs. Upsell or cross-sell to boost your order value. Track your expenses and cut waste. Use automation to reduce labor and ad costs. Also, consider selling digital products. They have no shipping costs and great margins. The key is to track everything regularly. Use Google Sheets, Shopify reports, or tools like Zoho Books to monitor your COGS, profit margins, and net income every month. To wrap it up, understanding your e-commerce margins, COGS, and profit is not optional. It's essential. Know your costs, price smart, and keep your business sustainable. Need help pricing your products? Check description box for more details. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more practical tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.